So often we talk about the aesthetics of our vehicle, but it's also really important to remember the safety aspects of our vehicle. And the windows are absolutely crucial to that, especially being able to see through them. With a product like our water beading treatment, the water and snow is just going to come flying off of your windshield, making sure that you can see the road even in the most hazardous of conditions. We're going to show you just how effective Silverwax's water beading treatment is at keeping water off of your windshield by only treating one half of the windshield and then showing you what happens when we pour water all over it. First step is cleaning the windshield with Silverwax's glass cleaner. First, you're going to want to spray the glass cleaner over a lint-free microfiber cloth and then cover the windshield as well. Then simply come in with your cloth and wipe it down. When applying our water beading treatment, you simply spray over the windshield of the car, wait 30 seconds, and come in with a clean microfiber towel to remove any excess. That's as much as it takes, and let me tell you, when you start getting up to 80 kilometers an hour, 100 kilometers an hour on the freeway, you're going to really see the effect of this in those hazardous road conditions. It's also important to cover some of the side windows. If you're looking out of your mirror and all you see is water going by and you can't see the car in your blind spot, that's also a hazard. So covering your side windows, even your back window, is really going to help you maintain perfect visibility on the road. Safety is the utmost importance when you're on the road with your family, your friends. You want to make sure that you stay safe. So a product like a water beading treatment, super easy to apply, and yet it provides you with enormous safety benefits on the road.